Alright, this is a video of the four-wheel LiteRider by Golden Technology. LiteRider four-wheel portable scooter from Golden Technology. This is the unboxing. So when you get your box, you'll be like this on a pallet, and you get your box. So the first thing you'd want to do is cut these little plastic ties off, and then open the box like this and like this. So when you unbox it, this is what you're going to see in here, a lot of foam. So the first thing you'll do is you'll pull the flag out, you'll pull the basket with the charger out, and you'll put that aside. Then the next thing you'll do, there's your owner's manual, a little bit of stuffing there. So what do we have here? Now you have another basket here. So you're going to pull that plastic basket out, pull that foam out. Now what I would do from here, to make it a lot easier, I'm going to cut the box open in the front so you can see. So you can see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the box right here. So you can see the scooter now a little bit better. There's the scooter in the box. So we're going to raise the tiller. This is called the tiller right here. Okay? So to raise that tiller right here, you have to unscrew that knob right here. So if I unscrew that knob, make it a little looser, you can bring the tiller up and then relock it. Take the foam out. Take the foam out of here. Now you can see the seat is right here. So I'm going to pull the seat out for now. I'm going to pull the rest of this foam. Now we have a better view of the whole scooter. Okay, and now what we're going to do, I'm just going to grab the front end. Be careful when you grab the front end, you don't grab it by the light. There's a front end here, you can grab it. You can just bring it out of the box like this. Okay, bring it out. Now, I'm going to put it over here so you can see something real quick here. Also in the bottom of the box, you have your two arms that were sitting in the bottom of the box. Okay, so here's one arm. Here's the other arm right here. So now here's your battery pack. As you notice, your battery pack has got a tie down on it. See how it's protected? As a matter of fact, if I pull the battery pack out, which I can't because it's all, so you want to cut that this protection off, and then the battery pack will come out. Very important, folks. A lot of people are going to have trouble with this because it was in shipping. The battery pack was sitting like this, not connected. It's not all the way. What you have to do, right here in the bottom, you see my fingers right there. There's two little tabs. Pull this tab out. Pull this tab out. And then you see your battery, your connectors are here. So you're going to slide the battery back in. Now we're connected. So very important to pull those tabs out. The first time I did it, I had a little bit of a hard time. Okay? So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the seat and I'm going to put it right on the scooter. Put it right down on the pole. It locks automatically. Pull the seat up. I'm going to take the plastic off the bottom. I'm just going to leave the plastic in the back for now. Yeah, I'm just going to take it off. You have a better view of the seat. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the arms. So this one would be this side here. And this one will be on this side. Now when you put the arms in, there's a little tubular right here. They're not going to go in because you have to unscrew the knob right here until there's enough room for the arm to slide in. There we go. So when the arm slides in, just go all the way until you touch the cushion here. Tighten up the knob, and that'll take all the play out of the arm. Do the same thing on the other side. Unscrew it until the arm goes in. Once the arm starts going in, you can actually, I went too far, but go ahead and screw it again. tighten it up, and you're ready to go right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the basket. The basket that was by itself. This is on magnets. So all you have to do with this basket is slide it under here. It'll fit into, it'll snap together because the magnets will connect together. What we're going to do next, this is your charger, your owner's manual. This is your basket. We're going to unbox the basket, or unwrap it, I should say. And the basket fits right here up front, like that. You have a handle, which is nice. Okay. The next thing we're going to show you is the flag. This scooter here has a special place for the flag right here. So if I put this flag together in two pieces, some of you may just want to use one piece, depending how tall you want it. But right here, there's a place to slide the flag. It's specially sewed into the back of the seat. Right there, you can have your flag sitting there. So now we have the flag on, we have the scooter put together. In your owner's manual, right here, you have the keys. They're in the bag of the owner's manual. So you open your owner's manual bag, reach down the bottom. You have two keys. So the last thing you have left to do, just to make sure you put everything together right, put the key in, turn the key on, and I can see the lights coming on, and I can see the scooter going forward and reverse. If your scooter's in neutral, all right, let me show you one more thing, folks. You see how the wheel is locked? That's for shipping purpose. Right here in the front, under the light, there's a little cap. You just push it in and turn it. And what that does, it unlocks the wheels. Okay, it's the same thing when you want to take it apart. You can lock the front wheels by turning this, and now I see the wheels are locked. Okay, so unlock it in the front. This unlocks your wheel. And one last thing, right over here is your neutral lever. So if you get your scooter in the box and it's not working, it's beeping or whatever, you need to go to the yellow lever here and put it in gear. The yellow lever is, you can see it. The scooter has to be in gear like this, where it's locked for it to work. Okay, even if you put it in gear, you still have to turn the power off, turn the power back on to reset the computer. So folks, this is the unboxing of the Golden Technology LiteRider 4-wheel scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.